Hey everyone, it's Tom here. You know that feeling, right? The one where you're just itching to escape the 9-to-5 grind and finally achieve true financial freedom? I've been there, and trust me, it's totally achievable. Today, we're diving into the best passive income ideas for beginners that are both realistic and low cost. If you're looking to make some extra money without a huge upfront investment, this video is for you. We'll break down each idea step by step so you can start taking action today. Let's kick things off with one of my personal favorites, dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that pay out profits to shareholders. Focus on established companies with a history of consistent dividends, like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Procter & Gamble. This can provide a steady stream of passive income. Remember to diversify and consider your risk tolerance. Dividend stocks are worth exploring for reliable passive income. Okay, let's talk about real estate. Traditionally, investing in property has been seen as a rich person's game. But with the rise of real estate crowdfunding platforms, that's no longer the case. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest in commercial and residential real estate projects with as little as $500. You're essentially pooling your money with other investors, and the platform handles all the logistics, from property management to rent collection. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket by buying a single rental property, you can spread your risk across multiple projects in different locations. This can potentially lead to more consistent returns and lower overall volatility. But if you're looking to dip your toes into the world of real estate investing without breaking the bank, crowdfunding can be an incredibly accessible and potentially rewarding option. Now, if you're looking for a more hands-off approach to investing, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending for short. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers looking for personal loans with investors like you who are willing to lend them money for a return. As an investor, you get to choose which loans you want to fund based on the borrower's creditworthiness, loan purpose, and interest rate offered. You're essentially acting as the bank, earning interest payments on the money you lend out. P2P lending can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio beyond traditional stocks and bonds. However, it's essential to remember that lending money always carries the risk of default. By carefully selecting borrowers and managing your risk, P2P lending can be a viable option for generating passive income over time. Let's shift gears and talk about leveraging your skills to create passive income streams. One popular way is by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy to package your knowledge into video lessons. Think about your passions or areas of expertise. Could you teach coding, baking, photography, or a new language? There's likely an audience eager to learn from you. Create the content once and sell it repeatedly. Generate passive income while reaching a global audience. With dedication, online courses can become a lucrative source of passive income. Self-publishing an ebook is a fantastic way to generate passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, allow anyone to become a published author. The process is straightforward. Write, format, design a cover, and upload to Amazon KDP. Readers worldwide can purchase and download your book. Your book can generate passive income for years. Writing a successful ebook requires dedication and understanding your audience. With passion and persistence, self-publishing can turn your writing dreams into reality. Now let's talk about a passive income strategy that's become increasingly popular in the digital age: affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services on your website, blog, social media channels, or email list. Here's how it works. you sign up for an affiliate program with a company that aligns with your niche or audience. You'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can share with your followers. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to build trust with your audience by being transparent about your affiliate relationships and only recommending products or services you genuinely believe in. Focus on providing value, building a strong online presence, and choosing affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. While not as exciting as some of the other strategies we've discussed, high-yield savings accounts deserve a spot on our list. Why? Because they offer a low-risk, low-effort way to earn passive income on your money. Unlike traditional savings accounts that offer paltry interest rates, high-yield savings accounts from online banks typically offer significantly higher annual percentage yields. This means your money grows faster even if you're not actively investing it. The best part? High-yield savings accounts are incredibly easy to manage. You simply open an account with an online bank, transfer funds, and watch your money grow. For those looking for a safe and convenient way to earn passive income on their cash reserves, high-yield savings accounts are a no-brainer. Our final passive income idea brings us back to the world of real estate, but with a twist. If you have a spare bedroom, basement apartment, or even an entire property sitting vacant, renting it out on Airbnb can be a lucrative way to generate consistent cash flow. Platforms like Airbnb have made it incredibly easy to list your space, manage bookings, and communicate with guests. You set your own rates, availability, and house rules, giving you complete control over your rental business. The earning potential with Airbnb can be significant, especially in popular tourist destinations or during peak seasons. You can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month by renting out your space to travelers from all over the world. But for those willing to put in the effort, Airbnb can be a rewarding and flexible way to earn passive income from your property. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you're most excited to try. I'm always here to support you on your journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling and stay motivated.